Good morning and thanks for joining me. I'm Kevin, and today my video is called the 5K method. Now, I haven't just called it the 5K method, it is about a method called the 5K method. And the best thing is that you can get this for free or you can take a paid version. I'm going to demonstrate them both in a minute. Now, I have used this method. It's fantastic. It works. It will make you a regular income. So if you're interested in making a regular income in probably just half hour, an hour a day when it's established, and how to repeat that again and again and again, stay with me. Let's get into it. So here we are at the start of the 5K method. And this is Mark Thompson. He's a friend of mine, has been for a number of years. I've followed a lot of Mark's teachings and he's become quite a close friend. He lives in Spain and he lives a very good lifestyle. And you'll see why, because this guy is an excellent tutor and his stuff really works. Now, the first thing I want to point out is the 5K method started off as a free course. Mark's very good at doing this. He starts with a free course and then expands on it. You want to see if there's interest. So if you're interested, you can get this course for free. However, it works. It really works. It makes money. I'm going to read my testimonial out in just a while, and that says it all. But there's only 3 lessons in the free version. We've got 41 lessons in the paid version, and I'll show you through that in just a moment. Okay, so you can see the paid version is $97. Now, I started to use this a while ago, and this is what I had to say about it. So this is what I achieved. I wrote Mark a testimonial. He's very good at asking for testimonials, and I'm not very good at giving them, but this is what I had to say. This is not my first testimonial for one of Mark's products, but once again, it's fully deserved. I've been generating profits with affiliate products for a number of years, quite successfully, although until this point, I would not have described myself as an affiliate marketer. I've always promoted products with which I was familiar and fitted in with my usual themes and topics and delivered to my email, which I delivered to my email subscribers. Then one day in the SMO Foundation, where I'm one of the learning difficulty students, that's what Mark tells me all the time, he announced he had produced a new affiliate marketing course, which he called the 5K method. That's what we're going to be going through. Now, Mark's material and courses are always excellent and usually generously booby-trapped with healthy peppering of lucrative surprises. And for that reason, I made the effort to learn it, and I'm delighted I did so. And I'm not joking when I say that. This is what he called a first version draft edition. And since then, it's been updated so much that it now offers about 500% more additional value. In fact, I'd say thousands of percent more, because he just keeps improving and improving and improving it. By the way, you'll notice down here in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a message. Yes, that goes directly through to Mark. So if there's something in the course you don't understand, tell Mark, and he will usually go in there, explain it better, or make another video. And his videos are really good, as you'll see. I found once I started, even this first edition was difficult to put down, and I went through the course twice making notes. Wow, it was certainly an upgrade to what I was doing, and it was. This is very often the case with Mark. He goes out and finds what's working, and then he introduces it to other people and his circle. Mark presented a method of successfully promoting almost any affiliate program without the use of email and at a cost I could afford, which was just £1 a day, $1 a day, I'm sorry. I had a winner. So just imagine you don't have an affiliate, you don't have an email list, and you don't have a big budget. Could you manage your $1 a day? Of course you could. Anyway, this is what happened to me. This is a method, this method is simplicity in action. I soon found a new affiliate product I wanted to promote. And a few hours later, even though I knew nothing about this topic, I didn't know nothing about the particular topic I was promoting, I had a page ready for visitors. I then created a short and simple 20-second video which switched the traffic to my new page on. By the way, making short videos really is lots of fun. My first video immediately started to get views for just 1 cent each, which was really impressive. Just imagine that, you're getting traffic for 1 cent each. Now, it's not always 1 cent. Sometimes it can go as high as 4 cents, but can you afford that? Of course you can. I never got traffic that cheap before, and that's true. However, my first video only drove a couple of people to my landing page, though it did quite quickly grow my retargeting list. Now, this process is very much about retargeting. It's a smart way of making money, as you're going to learn. 3 days later, I created a second, much better video, which drove 9% of my viewers to my landing page, and one actually purchased. Now, at this point, I'd spent $5 and created $34 in net profit. Hey, that's worth doing, isn't it? If you could spend $1 today and get $2 back, you'd be doing that all day. But this really works a lot better than that. This worked out at £6.80 profit for every marketing dollar spent straight out of the starting gate. This all happened quite recently, and since then I've consistently refined the process and scaled it up also. That £6.80 has now grown to £10.30 and is still improving by the day. So that means using this process, I spend $1 and I now make £10.30. Actually, it's gone up to more than that now, using this exact process, but you have to learn it. Later videos I created have driven as high as 23% of viewers to my landing page, even before my retargeting kicks in. Now, when the retargeting kicks in, you make lots more. I now have 3 campaigns running, and apart from this little optimization, they are operated on autopilot. Now, let me put you in the picture. This is months ago. I now have about 12 programs, 12 campaigns on autopilot, all making money. This really works. There is now rarely a day that I don't make at least one sale, and sometimes I make 4 or 5. That's gone up to 15 or 20. I also use exactly the same process to sell one of my own services with huge success. You can use this to sell anything. The potential the 5K method offers anyone, including complete beginners, is nothing short of phenomenal. It really is. You just got to learn how to do it. There's nothing hard in there. And a very real formula for quickly growing a 5K a month income stream and much more. I couldn't recommend Sergeant Major Mark, by the way, he was a Sergeant Major, I think, in the Army, Sergeant Major Mark's 5K method more highly. It really is very, very good. You're a fool if you don't seriously consider investing into this product. P.S. I also more than quadrupled my email profits using his small list big profits method. Okay, so that was my testimonial months and months ago. So let's have a little look at the course now. Now, he's got something wrong on the screen here, so I'm just going to show you one of his proof pictures. And it shows you that he got net commissions of $1,135 for 120 clicks and 6 transactions. So he's proving he's making money out of this method. So what you're going to learn: step 1, find the right offer. Step 2, let's build a site from scratch. Step 3, automation. Step 4, generating income. Step 5, something he calls the 201 project. You'll love it. Okay, so let's have a look directly inside the course. Okay, so here we are. We're directly inside the course. I'll just move myself a little bit around here, and I'm going to show you inside everything. Okay, so we're going to start off with mission control. And I can move this back over here now. And is anything coming up? Okay, so the first thing you get in here is a video. Now, Mark's videos are absolutely excellent, and he's really good at making them. He's a really good teacher. So that's the first page. The second one, there's 44 modules in here, is the content. He's going to tell you all about that. The third is hosting and themes and such like. He's going to show you how to get lightning fast hosting, how to make your pages open really quickly. And by the way, it makes one heck of a difference if your pages open really quickly. So the next bit is tracking and foundation. So he's going to show you about tracking and conversion. I think he's made another video on here. Usually these are up instantly, but because I'm recording this, of course, it's a little bit slow. So the next module is affiliate marketing, and he's going to tell you why he chooses affiliate marketing. And Mark has a very different take on this. He's going to show you what to promote, what's worked for him. And by the way, what you're seeing here, Mark does a lot of videos, but he also does what he calls a hybrid method. You can see he's got a video stuck in the bottom there. So don't just think it's videos. He puts a lot of text in here as well. And he keeps adding to these. He just do it and leave it. He'll keep coming back and adding bits to it. So the next module is inside the affiliate marketing is internet marketing versus non-internet marketing products. So there's an interesting section and where to find products to promote. So just waiting for the video to come up, and here it is. And if I wait a second longer, I'm pretty sure someone just enrolled the dealer. And if I wait a second longer, I'm sure there's going to be text below. So what's the next section? Organic traffic. So he's going to show you how not only to drive traffic from paid traffic for $1 a day, he's going to teach you the basics of SEO, search engine optimization. Is it worth it? Yeah. If you've got the right market, it's very worth it because you can get loads of traffic for next to nothing or even nothing completely. Just takes a bit of time. So social traffic. Now, social traffic is something I'm very, very interested in, social media marketing. So he's going to show you how he gets social media traffic. He's going to give you a technique. He's going to give you a method that works. All of this works. He's going to show you how he creates images. I can't remember what this one about. Yep, how he creates this stuff for social media marketing. He's going to give you the cornerstone of paid traffic. So this is the social Facebook ad system. Now remember, Mark has worked out a system here for just $1 a day where you can start driving traffic. When he starts making money, as I said already, if you make $1 and you get 2 back, you're going to do that all day, and you're going to take it up. You're going to pay more. You're going to put more into it. Suddenly you'll be doing $10 and $20, $100, as much as you can to make as much profit as you can. And that's what I've done. It's going to show you about Google Ads. And he's got another video, I think, on paid traffic. So email marketing. Now, a big part of this course is email marketing, but you don't have to start with an email list. You build your own as you go along, because when you've got somebody on your email list, you can come back and sell them the next thing and the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. You can build a relationship with them, and some of your subscribers will stay on your list for a very, very long time. So why email marketing? How to get subscribers. He's going to give you the onboarding sequence that he uses. By onboarding, it means that when somebody joins your email list, you don't want to suddenly start selling them things. You want to give them a few things that make them go, this is a nice guy. They start to trust you and they like to stay with you. If you start bombarding them with potential purchases, then they might disappear rather quickly. It's going to show you how to construct an email, the 5 types of emails, what to write about. Mark is an excellent email writer. By the way, where he lives in Spain, he used to live right next to Andre Chaperon. Andre Chaperon is one of his big mates. So you can see where he's got it from. He really is very good at emails. And as soon as you join his list, he'll start sending them to you. And you'll find it hard not to like him because his way of writing email is excellent. And his content always has lots of very useful value in it. Okay, so scaling your business. Now, this is really interesting. Learning to scale your business. So I'll tell you all about this and how to run. Oh no, it's a completion survey. He wants to know, how did this go for you? Remember, if there's something in here you don't understand, if there's something here needs more clarification, just come over to this button over on the right hand side, the messages button, and he will answer you. He'll come straight back to you. You might even add a clarification directly in this course. Now, this is beautiful because he then gives you the build. Let me just throw that down again. Or I'll move myself out of the way. So day 1 planning, and you can do this very quickly. Day 1 planning, day 2 setting up the domain, day 3 plugins and themes, ordering content, content upgrades. Now, content upgrades is a term that I got from Mark, and you'll love it because it's a way of really building your list. I've had people go through my content, and I've had as many as 60% of the people on particular pages who subscribed to my email list because of the content upgrade. You should really learn this. Day 5, creating a list for creating lists and opt-in forms. Day 6, putting it all together. Day 7, the fun begins. And then he's got one more down here, project 212. Now you really need to go through this because it really makes a lot of sense. It will change your perspective on making money on affiliate marketing in general. So that's the course. You've got the whole thing. You've seen inside it. It's got 41 or 44 different modules, and all of them are absolutely excellent. As you can see, they're all full of images, videos, and his videos really are very good. As you can see, let me just see if I can start one playing. Well, you can only just hear him, so that wasn't much point doing that. So that's it. That's the 5K method. And if you want to make an ongoing living, I seriously suggest you look at this. This is really worth investigating. Now, if you have any questions, you have any comments, please ask them directly below. Please remember you have two ways of getting involved with the 5K method, the free way or the paid way. I hope I've made a good job of demonstrating them both. If you enjoyed that, if you thought it was a good video, please click on the blue link for me, or the blue thumbs up. That tells me you enjoyed it. I'll make more videos like it. And while you're here, please click on the subscribe button below. If you click the subscribe button, the little bell next to it, I'll keep you informed every time I make a new video. Now, I've really enjoyed making this video for you today. I'm quite excited about it, as you can tell, because I realize what a difference this can make to your life. So please make sure you investigate it. The link to learn more is directly below. So just click the link directly below this video and you'll find more. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye-bye for now.